Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And the most important thing during the lesson is a cup of something hot and wet. Hopefully you've got tea or coffee or hot chocolate, something nice to enjoy while you're learning or improving your English skills. I've got a cup of coffee, I have a biscuit, always very important for English people. We love our biscuits and our cakes. These are all the sounds in my funny old language, okay? These are all the vowel sounds, these are all the consonant sounds. As you know, we got five vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Five vowels, but there are 20 different vowel sounds for those 5 letters, and all the rest are consonants. Today we're looking at consonant sounds. We're looking at these two down here. We're looking at ch for cheese, yeah, cheese, and Geoff, J for Geoff, yeah, or jam. Yeah, I'm looking at ch and j. If you have an English dictionary, then and you look up the word in your dictionary, you'll see the phonetic translation. And if you know these sounds, then you can say the word perfectly. So it's a good idea if you can. It's not 100% necessary, but good if you can do it, to learn the sounds. And today we're looking at these two sounds, ch and j. Ch. No vibration here. Ch, 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 ch. It's just the sound. The mouth is the same for ch and j. If you look at my mouth, and if you can't hear anything, I won't make the sound, I'll just do the shape of the mouth. The mouth is the same. It doesn't change. The only difference is sound. Here, vibration. Ch, 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 chips, cheese. But Geoff, judge, jam. You can feel switch on some voice. Yeah. Unvoiced, voiced. Unvoiced, voiced. Ch, j. Okay, have a look at some words. Ready? Here we go. And in a minute, I want you to write something down. So pen and paper. Can you see those okay? Yeah. We've got the ch sound for cheese. Cheese. And j for jam. This is jam. You know, strawberry jam, raspberry jam. If you're a Spanish speaker, you might say yam, because you pronounce that as a y. But it's jam. Cheese and jam. It's ch and j. Have a look at these. Contrasting the sounds. This is here, chin, 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 gin, gin, like a bottle of gin, alcohol. Chin, gin, chin, gin, ch, ch, j, j, chin, gin. Happy? Okay. Cheer. Yay, wonderful. Cheer. Jeer, jeer. It's kind of a rubbish. An audience will either cheer or they will jeer. In Parliament in England, if Boris has a good thing to say, everybody will cheer. If they think it's rubbish, they will jeer. So cheer and jeer. All right. Next, choke. If you some food gets stuck, choke, and joke, a funny story. Choke, joke. So depending on your pronunciation, you understand something different. And this next one, chain. Uncle Geoff wears a a chain. Chain. And the girl's name, Jane. Chain, Jane. Chain, Jane. All right, happy with that side? And here the sound is at the beginning. On this side, the sound is at the end. Look at this one. Rich. Uncle Geoff. Oh no, okay. Rich and ridge. Rich, ridge, like a mountain ridge, a little, the edge, a ridge, the top of that little bit, mountain range. Rich and ridge, meaning big. Larch, large. So there we are. Good, huh? Happy with those? Hopefully you were saying them with me. Chin, gin. Cheer, jeer. Choke, joke. Chain, Jane. Rich, ridge. Search, search, surge. Age. Larch, large. Happy with those?
Our internet might be off for a matter of half a minute.
Oh, we may have lost some internet for a bit. It's been a bit slow recently, so hopefully you're still there. Oh, thank you again for all the hearts and the flowers and the smiley faces and the follows. Thank you so much. Now this is your job. You need a piece of paper and a pen, because I'm going to say some words. One of these. I'm going to say some words. I want you to write down the words that you hear. There are 8. Okay, there are 8. 8 words.
Oh, English.
Oh, English. Nothing but trouble. Okay? Are you ready?
When they're ready, can I do 2 things?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Well, you're fine. Diphthong sounds. Oh, that's these. Oh, look, I've got juice on my thing again. Oh, no. I think it's okay. Diphthongs. That's these when there are two vowel sounds together. That's these. Uncle Geoff's chart is split into 3, more or less. You've got the pure vowel sounds, just like E, I, U. Just one sound. Diphthongs are these, 2 sounds together. Like you've got the I and the ear, like ear, here, yeah, ear, a, for face. So diphthongs are 2 vowel sounds together. So these are the pure vowel sounds, these are the diphthongs, and all these are the consonant sounds. And today we're looking at these 2 consonant ones. Might do some more diphthongs another day.
Say something in Dutch.
Something in Dutch. I don't know any Dutch. It's similar to some German. A long time ago. Oh, what's the port? Radio Veronica. Used to come out of one of the ports in Holland, in the Netherlands. Oh, what was the name of the port? I can't remember. But Radio Veronica was an old pirate radio station that broadcast in Dutch. One of my friends worked on Radio Veronica a long time ago, but I can't remember any Dutch.
Okay.
Please write some Dutch. Write something down in Dutch for me. Okay. Now then, pen and paper handy? I am going to cover my mouth with my phonetic chart so you can't see what I'm saying. And I'm going to say 8 words. Can you write down the words that you hear? Okay? Ready? Steady, go. Cover your mouth, Uncle Geoff. Here we go. First one is gin. Gin. Write down the word you hear. Number 1, gin. Gin. Number 2, cheer. 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 Number 3, joke. 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 Number 4, Jane. 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 Number 5 is rich. 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 Number 6, search. 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 Number 7, age. 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 And number 8, cheer. Oh, that's interesting. Cheer. Number 8, cheer. I think I've made a mistake. Never mind. Last one, number 8, cheer. All right? Now then, while you just double check, I'm going to finish my biscuit.
What's the difference between chair and the chair? C-H-A-I-R. C-H-E. You eat first.
Write them down. Did somebody ask?
I ask.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Just finish my biscuit.
Oh, they said, can you make a video for that?
I will. We'll do some diphthongs another day. I'll make a little video. I will. Or maybe next Sunday we'll focus on a couple of diphthongs. Okay. Horrible name. Horrible name. But it's a vowel sound. Well, it's 2 vowel sounds together. Okay.
Chair.
Difference between chair and cheer. These are 2 diphthongs. Air and ear. Chair, you sit on. Yeah, you sit on a chair. And one of the words in our list, cheer, when people are happy, they go, yay, yeah, and they cheer. Okay. So difference, well, the spelling is different, clearly. Cheer is C-H-E-E-R and chair is C-H-A-I-R. And it's diphthongs. We've got ear. This is the ear, cheer, ear. It's the ear sound, ear, cheer, yeah? And then chair. If you say it slowly, you can hear the 2 sounds. Air. And that's this. Air. Like the air that you breathe or the chair that you sit on. So depending on your pronunciation, the understanding can be different. Hopefully is different for the different word. Yeah? So chair and cheer. We'll do some more diphthongs next week. So hopefully you wrote down these words. Can you see those okay? First one was gin, that you drink, alcohol. Second one was cheer. And silly Uncle Geoff, I put number 8 is also cheer. Stupid boy. Terrible student. Number 2, cheer. Number 3 was joke, funny story. Number 4 was Jane, the girl's name. Number 5 is rich, that Uncle Geoff isn't. Number 6 was search, try and find somebody. 7 is age. Uncle Geoff has a very high number for his age. And number 8 was cheer again. So there we are.
You can get them someone
asking for that. If you would like a copy of Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English sounds chart, send me an email. I will send one back to you. Then you can print it out. Here's the address, unclejeffinglish@gmail.com. Please send an email and I will either send it back straight away or tomorrow. All right? unclejeffinglish@gmail.com. If you would like a copy of Uncle Geoff's sounds chart, Yeah? Oh yeah, don't move it about too much. We've got a new camera phone. We've got
Learning how to do.
You're not rich, Uncle Geoff. Well, we've just bought the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is what we're filming on today. And it kind of follows, it keeps things in focus, very clever. But if you move things too quickly, you can't see them properly. But if you would like a copy of that, email please.